Hey everybody, welcome to Pandy's Beauty and Beyond. I am Pandy. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. If you are already chat family with me, welcome back. I am so excited to have you here. And welcome to my 4-part fall self-care series. This is all about resetting and refreshing and rejuvenating for the transition in seasons from summer to fall. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you have not already, be sure to check out the playlist for part 1 and part 2. Again, thank you for being here. Don't forget, sharing is caring, so please share the video. Hey guys, Pandy here. Welcome to part 3 of the Fall Self-Care Reset series. In today's series, I am talking natural hair care reset. So thank you for being here. Thank you for joining me as I take you on this challenge of transforming my natural 4C hair care routine for the fall season and pretty much developing a routine to fall in love with your curls all over again. So, as someone with 4C hair, I've often found myself on a journey of self-discovery and acceptance. My hair, with its unique texture and curl pattern, has the power to make me feel like the best version of myself, but that's not always easy. For many of us with type 4 hair, we deal with dryness, shrinkage, and styling difficulties can of course be frustrating. I've had my share of days where my hair has felt like it had a mind of its own, refusing to cooperate no matter what products or techniques I used. Now keep in mind that I am a former licensed cosmetologist, former beauty salon owner, so I know a little something about hair care. However, natural hair care, and particularly type 4 natural hair care, is a beast of itself, okay? So it can be like we're speaking different languages. Now, we know these types of challenges can make us feel like we're not doing enough or that our hair is just simply too much to handle. But what if I told you that there is a way to make peace with your type 4 hair? It's simply all about finding the right balance and learning how to love and care for your hair in a way that works for you. Everyone is different, so everyone's journey is going to look a little bit different. Again, these tips are going to be to give you some general, practical tips to approach your hair with a newfound reset on the vision. All right. So, what can we do to foster a positive relationship with our type 4 hair? Well, for starters, a good moisturizing routine can work wonders. Using products that are rich in moisture and gentle on our hair can help us to lock in hydration, which of course will help to reduce frizz. Protective styles like braids, twists, and buns can also be a game changer. Not only do they help us to minimize manipulation and reduce breakage, they can also be a great way to add some extra moisture into our hair. Some of us may find that using a hair mask once or twice a week can help to deep condition and nourish our hair. And then there are the styling techniques that can help us to achieve the look we want while still being gentle on our natural hair. Let me tell you about one of my friends who I'll call Tia. She had a similar journey. She used to struggle with her type 4C hair, feeling like it was too fragile and prone to breakage. We've all been there. But then she discovered a simple, low manipulation routine that worked for her. She started to use a co-washing method which involves washing your hair, or let me go back to beauty school days. We don't wash our hair, we wash our cars. We shampoo our hair. So when shampooing her hair, she actually used conditioner instead of shampoo. And if you're a part of the natural hair community, you already know, you're familiar with co-washing. This actually helped her to gently cleanse her hair without stripping it of its natural oils. You see, us naturalistas, we can't do the shampoo hair every day. We need the oils that's produced on our scalp to kind of help with the hydration process. But that is another video for another day. Now, as she continued on her journey, she actually began to see her hair in a new light, and she started to appreciate its unique texture and curl pattern. And she actually started to find joy in styling it in different ways. Now today, my friend's hair is thriving, and she is so proud to show it off. I have since taken some tips from her, and I'm telling you, at the age of 50 and going into my 17th year of being natural, I am really starting to enjoy and embrace my natural hair as well. So in conclusion, I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. I hope that you're loving and embracing your type 4 hair. And I hope that you understand that patience is a virtue. 4C hair or type 4 hair of any kind is a journey, not a destination. It's all about finding what works best for you and being patient with your hair. Now, if you're on a similar journey, I'd love to hear about it. Share your experiences in the comment section below, and don't forget to check out my next video on hair care tips. I want to thank you all for tuning in today and checking out the video. If you are watching the video during the live watch party premiere, shout out to you and the Friends with Super channels. I appreciate you all so much for your support, and feel free to check the homepage so that you can catch parts 1 and parts 2 of Pandy's Fall Self-Care Reset series. Until the next time, guys, continue to stay safe, continue to stay encouraged, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. All right now, chat family and friends, now that we have reached the end of part 3 of this 4-part Fall Self-Care Reset series on Natural Hair Care Reset, I hope that you guys really enjoyed the video. I hope that you found it to be informative, and I hope that you feel that much more comfortable and confident in fully embracing working with your natural hair. Like I mentioned earlier, it is a journey and not a destination. I have been on this journey for 17 years. And even as a former licensed cosmetologist and beauty salon owner, I still learn something new every day about working with my natural hair. But I wanted to take this extra moment just to say thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you watching the video. And if you enjoy these types of videos, definitely check my homepage. There are tons of videos on self-care, skincare, and hair care. And that ranges from natural hair care to wigs. So there is something there for everyone. And if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting on? It is free 99 after all, okay? So make sure you subscribe, double tap the notification bell so that you are kept in the loop of each time new content is added, and you won't miss a beat. Also, if there is something that you'd like to see covered here on my channel, let me know that in the comment section as well. I always enjoy engaging with you there. Until the next time, guys, continue to stay safe, continue to stay blessed, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.